Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra Garcia, Global Pro Artist for Bobbi Brown, and I'm here to share with you my 3 favorite Crush liquid lip colors for a date night. My first date is going to be a dinner date. I always reach for a nude lip color for dinner. That way it keeps it kind of neutral. It looks like my lip color. If it goes anywhere, it looks like my lips. Perfect for dinner, so I know I'm eating and I know it's not going to go anywhere. It feels comfortable, light, but gives you that beautiful pop of color. My next date's gonna be a game night. This color is Main Squeeze. I think it's really fun for a game night. Gives you a pop of color and just really keeps it lovely and light and pretty. Let's try it on. So I'm gonna apply it directly from the tube, starting at the hearts. Press my lips together, check myself in the mirror. I think this is really fun and I think it'll help me win the game. Last date is gonna be a movie date. So whether we're going out or watching movies at home, I think something nude and deep might be really nice. So this is more of a brown, deeper color, which is really pretty, and I think it would look great for a movie night. So there you have it, my 3 favorite Crush liquid lip colors that I like to wear on a date.